Hi, Dada. Where are we, Dada?
Atsuta. Basta yung EEL. Teka, paano mag-order?
Bye-bye.
Ganito.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Open mo sa'yo. Ay, sorry.
Just miss the soup and beef. I think.
Paipa is ready with spoon and fork, Mama. Look at Pai.
Girl,
Look at Pai. Holding her spoon and fork with her bowl.
it's regular is okay naman. Yeah.
Wala masyadong diferensya.
Okay, you want? So, paano bang una?
Me.
Wait, I'll check muna. Parang may instruction pa. Diba una? 4 steps. Please eat 1/4 of this delicious grilled eel. Eat 1/4. Okay, 1/4 muna tayo, girl. So, yung 1/4 natin. Paano
Me
ba?
too.
And have colorful, they have pink and blue.
Tada!
I want to see pink and blue.
Ah,
I want to see pink and blue.
Pink and blue.
oh, you,
Mama has yellow and...
Mama has yellow and green. Oh, careful. Mainit.
Dada will give you his soup because it's pink.
Yes.
It's mine, pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it here because I'm gonna put my soup here.
Let's show them the soup.
I don't have soup.
Yeah.
It's every
Pero
boy.
mainit pa to, Pai. So, wait. This is, eto yung ano,
This is my boy.
small version. Ano nga ba to?
See?
Mom, that was your boy. My boy is here.
Okay.
It's here.
Ay, wait. We need your bib.
Mom, what's your beef?
Ito, bib mo. Okay. Meron silang instruction on how to eat with. Please eat 1/4 of this delicious grilled eel. Okay. Oh, that's Mama's. Thank you, love.
Ang dami pa pala. Meron pa sa ilalim.
May?
Marami pa sa ilalim mo.
Ay, pa sa ilalim? Sa ilalim, meron pa?
Oh, give me.
Okay, bigyan ko si Pai ng eel. I give you eel.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome,
Be
love.
careful because it...
Parang puro rice naman.
I will give you eel.
Binigyan ko na siya ng eel.
Bibigyan ko yung eel. Mas marami yung akin eh.
Okay lang, meron pa.
Kaya, I will give you more eel.
O, then you tell your neighbor kung kamusta yung eel, Pai, okay?
It will taste like fish.
I think.
What do you think?
What the
Okay.
I'll try.
Hindi ako mahilig na eel, pero
Yan lang kumain sa eel.
gusto niyo hindi parang isda.
Ito pala ko lagi order.
What's that?
Crispy siya.
Ano?
Crispy siya.
Crispy?
Yung na-try ko kasi na eel, para siyang tender na soft na ano eh. Soft, hindi man chewy.
Ano hindi? Magka-crispy nga.
Parang
Tapos
maano mo
hindi
talaga
naman-
na eel.
Hindi
Ito
naman siya
hindi.
fish na fish.
Hindi.
I mean, fish, pero ano? Ano na gusto mo ba, Pai? Kumagat ka na ba? Yan, ka agad. Dapat makarin na kinain mo. Hindi pa kinain.
Where's the bathroom, Mama?
Where's the what?
Bathroom daw. Where's the bathroom? Somewhere here. I don't know.
Kailangan ng bathroom.
Wala, madami nga.
Ito rito. Pinakampus ko, nilipad ko na dito.
Look at you. Open wide, Mama.
No, I will not eat like yan. No. Later. You eat na muna, you eat.
Okay.
fish.
You don't want the soup? I will open it for us. May na yan.
That's yours. Ano ba yung ano na yan? This is yours na pala. We can't share. Okay ka na?
Okay.
Ano siya? Miso soup?
Hindi eh.
Kasi yung
Kinuha yung soup.
Hindi nga siya miso soup. I don't know kung anong soup. Parang may isda. Isdang lasa. Tell them, ano ba yan? Ano siya?
it looks like white sauce and I took make salt and make butter and make cheese and
May cheese?
yeah.
It's like milk cheese.
Yeah. It's milk cheese.
Ah!
It with
Did you try
some
that?
butter.
Yeah.
Ano ba siya? Ano mo kay girl?
Ewan ko, ibang kulay yung akin eh. Ibang kulay. May wasabi.
Anong seasoning ba yung tinutukol dyan? Alin dyan? Mga ito ba? Ay,
I want to seaweed.
ano sabi mo?
Ano pala, drive ka na eh.
What's this?
Ah, wasabi yan. That's wasabi, spicy.
Can you eat it, please?
You want
Yeah.
to eat it?
Ito ako daw.
Mama doesn't like wasabi.
Pwede naman. Ano ba yan? Ano ko? Ako marunong. Ay, ano ko lang, tip-tip. Okay naman. Yeah, you like the seaweed? Bakit mo gusto yung seaweed?
Because that's happy.
Ha?
Hatchy.
It's ano?
Hatchy.
Healthy daw.
Tama naman din yata.
Correct. Try mo yung eel muna. So the neighbors... Ba yan si mama? So the neighbors will see your reaction. Ano?
Yummy.
Yummy yung eel o isa pa. Para makita nila ang iyong reaction, girl. Okay, again. Ay, yummy. Show them, show them. Yummy? Oh, one more. Eel. By eating eel. It's yummy. Show them. It's yummy, neighbors. One more. Ah, tinanggal yung balat. Yummy? Oh, approve?
Approve.
So, bye-bye neighbors na?
Not that.
Bakit? Because,
I can wait.
oo nga, meron pang kalahati dito.
Hello.
Meron pa sa ilalim nga.
Kasi nung inano ko, wala. Parang di kita.
Baka yan yung difference sa large at saka ito na
So-
regular.
So, medyo malalim yung bowl. I will show them. Malalim yung bowl. Tapos sa may gitna ng rice. Meron pang eel. Okay, so medyo madami siya yung regular. Regular size, enough for mama and Pai. Tama?
Yeah.
Opo. Okay, very good. Very, very good girl. Oh, ano yan? Eel or rice?
Yeah.
You use your fork muna. Eel, again, eel. By the way, si Dada pala ang naunang pumunta dito kasi mahaba ang pila. So, para mga 7-minute walk to sa Airbnb namin. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, umila siya maaga kasi nga mahaba ang pila dito. Ano sila dito? 10:30?
Yeah.
10:30 andito na siya. Pinapasok kami ng mga... Kasi start 11:30. That's why.
We're gonna.
O nag-start na ng 10:30.
When
Start 11.
we done.
Pero pag 7 kami sa pila. Basta yun.
Pasok tayo 11 po.
Yeah.
Nakapasok kami 11 po.
Oh, 11 po.
Mga ganon, more or less. Mga 20.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. I'll give you more. O meron ka pang EEL? Meron ka pa?
Yeah.
Si Pai Pai nag-request pa ng... Ano pa request mo? More EEL? Kasi masarap? Masarap pa? Anong nagustuhan mo dyan sa EEL?
With my baso,
Okay.
water.
Ubus mo na sa'yo, Dada?
Hindi pa. Busog na ako.
Kasi
It's not yummy.
anong hindi yummy? Di ba? Nag-request ka nga ng EEL. Sabi mo ngayon, hindi yummy. Ano ba, yummy or hindi yummy? Ay! Ano, kainin mo na?
Hindi daw yummy.
Oo daw.
Kain siya ng kain.
Hindi yummy pero kain siya ng kain. Sure ka ba girl na hindi yummy? Tinatanggalan mo pa ng balat. Ano to? Gulay-gulay?
No idea.
Dada, is it?
Ang kulit mo. Sa laki ng portion ng EEL, yung serving ng EEL, sulit naman, malahin dito eh. Plus, masarap pa yung pagkaluto.
Approve, approve.
Tapos sobrang laki nitong rice, oh.
Run, run.
Si Mami Daddy ito, parang isang regular, maghati sila.
Yan siya. Ha? You want plain rice? You want plain rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, later. Mag-plain rice tayo, okay? Oh, no.
Feathering.
Bye. See you next time.
See you.
Wait lang. Pai Pai forgot to give a kiss daw. Kiss and heart. What about ganitong heart? Bye, neighbors. Yeah.